How to use split screen mode on Xiaomi phones with HyperOS 3 Android 16. The simplest way to do split screen mode without any additional setups is, let's just say you are using some apps. You have some apps open already. You go into the recents view mode by tapping here, or if you have the gestures, go ahead and perform the recents gesture. Now you'll see a list of all the apps you have open already. So what you're going to do is long press one of these like this, and then you'll notice these icons will show up right here. So these icons are going to show up. The one that has the two rounded rectangles, that's the split screen mode. And by tapping on that, you'll notice this is going to happen, and now you'll have the option to view any more additional apps that you may have open, and then you can go ahead and tap on it. Now, once you do that, you'll now be able to use split screen mode and navigate or operate two apps at the same time. And then of course you can use the slider here to make changes, or tap on the three dots right there. That's going to give you more options by switching which one is going to appear on top or to the bottom. And you also have the option to go into floating mode and close it out, or bring one back into the full screen mode. Now, if you wanted the landscape mode, you'll just simply turn your phone like this here, and you'll have this here like that into landscape mode. And of course, just make sure that your auto rotate is enabled, okay, that it's not locked. This one here, make sure it's not locked, and that's that. Like and sub.